To disinfect and reuse an FFP2 mask, it must first air dry for at least 1 day. Then you need to preheat the oven to 80 degrees. Use both top and bottom heat. It is important to keep the temperature accurate, otherwise it may not work. Now the mask stays in the closed oven for 60 minutes. Keep an eye on the oven. When the 60 minutes are up, you are done. Now take a look and ensure that the mask is undamaged, and then leave it to cool down. You can repeat this process of disinfection 5 times for each FFP2 mask. Then you have to dispose of it and get another one.